equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your Lenovo Vostro 3510 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Begin by removing the screws from the back cover. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the LCD cover. Check for any visible damage or cracks. If you see any, it's time to replace it. Carefully detach the old cover by removing any screws holding it in place. Clean the internal components with the microfiber cloth to ensure there's no dust. Now, position the new LCD cover and secure it with screws. Make sure it fits snugly. Reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips are in place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.